one.
Hello, welcome to the cooking show. We're going to be making Dolly Parton Fudge brownies. The best brownies on the freaking planet. First step is lavate las manos, means put your hands together and wash them. That's what we're going to do. And let's get to baking. First step is to preheat oven, which you did to 350. We sprayed the bottom of the pan with Pam, and now we need to knead the fudge packet 15 times. Fudge packet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, that is done. Now we gotta stir the brownie mix. First, 1 egg cracked. Okay. Yeah. Second, we need to add our butter, our melted butter, to the eggs. Okay. Then we need to add milk. Now we need to put the fudge packet in and stir 50 times. Fudge packet, we needed it 15 times. I'm going to cut it open with some real cool scissors. Put that baby in there. Oh, this looks really disgusting. Okay. Fudge packet is in. Throw it away. And now we gotta whisk 50 times. Okay, we mix it together. Now we add the special ingredient, the brownie. We're gonna cut this baby open. I'm kind of struggling here, I'm sorry. Put it in here. Whew. Don't breathe it in. And now it says to well blend about 50 strokes. I'll meet you at 50 strokes. And then about 50 strokes, that's what it looks like. Next, it says to spread this into here. We'll move this out of the way. We'll spread this into here, and we'll be almost ready for deliciousness. Here's our scooper. And here we go. Oh, yeah. So we poured it all out. Now we gotta flatten it and then put it in our oven. So let me flatten it real quick. Let me spread it out. Might be a little lumpy, but it'll work. Okay, now it's time to flatten this John. Okay. One last time, flatten it. Get this baby all nice and down. Okay. Now, putting in the oven. First, look, need oven mitt so you don't burn yourself. And then second, add a timer for 25 minutes. Open this sucker up. Grab your brownies and put it all in. Close it. Start your timer. Now we wait. The brownies are done. It took a little bit longer than 25 minutes, but we're gonna see how they look. Woo-wee! Ooh, yes, sir. gonna start a fire. Let's cut her open. Let's see the crust real quick. Now that's a brownie. So I personally like corners, so we're gonna go with corner. Oh. And it just got out of the oven, so that's why it's kind of like mushy, but it's still a dang good brownie. And that's how you cook Dolly Parton brownies 101.